Hey, beautiful people, welcome back to SoulSync. I loved all your support on part 1, and reading your comments made me realize how much there is to explore about the subtle ways a girl can be truly special. In part 1, we talked about communication, support, and emotional safety, but today we're diving into brand new green flags, the little things that make her truly unforgettable, playful, loving, and someone you genuinely feel lucky to have in your life. This video is all about traits that show a girl is rare, charming, and emotionally magnetic. From her energy to the way she notices small joys, encourages happiness, and makes life feel lighter, these green flags highlight her authenticity and the unique magic she brings into your world. If you've ever wondered how to spot a girl whose presence is uplifting, warm, and irresistible, this is your guide. 1. She laughs with you, not at you. Her laughter feels like sunlight streaming in, instantly brightening even your toughest days. She doesn't tease to hurt or embarrass. She teases to connect and build a shared energy only between the two of you. You notice the little things, how her eyes sparkle when she genuinely finds something funny, or the soft tilt of her head when she giggles. Being around her feels effortless and light, like even the heaviest worries become smaller in her presence. Even in awkward or stressful moments, she knows how to laugh with you, creating tiny, safe spaces where joy exists no matter the circumstances. Shared jokes, inside humor, and playful banter become threads that connect you emotionally. You feel free to be your authentic, goofy self without fear of judgment, and that sense of comfort is addictive. Over time, her laughter becomes a central part of your bond. Happiness isn't about grand gestures, it's in the effortless moments she creates. Those giggles, playful smiles, and lighthearted energy show she's someone who brings warmth, comfort, and love without trying. That kind of playful presence is a green flag that makes her unforgettable. 2. She notices the little things about you. She remembers small details about your life, your favorite snack, the song that makes you smile, or a quirky habit that makes you unique. She brings these up naturally, not to impress, but to make you feel genuinely seen. Her attention isn't superficial, it's heartfelt and intentional, showing she truly values your thoughts, feelings, and quirks. Even tiny gestures like sending a text about something she remembered or surprising you with a favorite treat make her love feel personal and meaningful. Her consistent thoughtfulness shows that she cares deeply without needing recognition. These small acts gradually build trust, comfort, and a profound sense of being valued. Over time, her attentiveness becomes addictive. You notice she's emotionally tuned in, always aware of your needs and moods. Those little observations communicate care louder than words ever could, creating a quiet emotional bond that grows stronger every day. 3. She brings out your goofy side. Being around her makes you feel free to be completely yourself, awkward, silly, and unfiltered. She doesn't just accept your quirks, she celebrates them, joining in with playful energy that makes ordinary moments unforgettable. Whether it's dancing badly together, joking around, or sharing inside jokes, her presence transforms simple moments into something special. Her playful nature isn't forced or loud, it's gentle, thoughtful, and perfectly timed. Even in stressful or serious moments, she knows how to inject lightness, making the day feel easier and more joyful. This kind of connection becomes a secret thread that only the two of you fully understand, strengthening your bond in subtle ways. Over time, this playful energy becomes essential. You begin to associate her with happiness, comfort, and emotional freedom. Her ability to make life fun and effortless is a green flag, showing that love and connection can feel light, safe, and endlessly uplifting. 4. She celebrates your unique qualities. She doesn't just accept your quirks, she genuinely admires them. Whether it's a strange habit, a unique interest, or a personality trait you sometimes doubt, she points out what makes you special. Her recognition makes you feel truly seen and appreciated, creating a space where you can be fully authentic. Even when you feel insecure, her words remind you that your individuality is something to treasure. She doesn't try to change you or mold you. She encourages you to embrace the real version of yourself. Her admiration builds trust, comfort, and deep emotional intimacy, forming a foundation for lasting connection. Over time, this appreciation of your uniqueness becomes a sign of her genuine love and respect. Feeling safe to show your real self around her shows she's emotionally intelligent, thoughtful, and truly invested. That celebration of individuality is a rare and invaluable green flag. She encourages your passions. She's genuinely excited about what lights you up. Whether it's a hobby, creative pursuit, or personal goal, she listens with interest, asks questions, and celebrates your progress. Her enthusiasm feels sincere, not performative, and makes you want to share more of your life with her. Even small gestures like asking how a project went, cheering for your achievements, or encouraging you during setbacks show she's invested in your growth. Her support isn't controlling or overwhelming. It's motivating and heartwarming, creating a sense of partnership that goes beyond surface-level care. Over time, her encouragement becomes a cornerstone of emotional connection. Knowing she's on your side consistently builds trust, attachment, and the feeling that she genuinely wants to see you thrive. This unwavering support is a green flag that shows her love is thoughtful and lasting. 6. She makes you feel seen and heard. She listens intently, making you feel like your thoughts and feelings truly matter. She asks questions to understand you better, remembers details from past conversations, and gives you the space to express yourself without judgment. Her presence alone signals that your voice is valued and cherished. Even mundane stories or silly complaints are treated with attention and care. She makes you feel comfortable sharing without fear of criticism or dismissal. This emotional safety fosters intimacy, allowing your heart to open naturally. Over time, this deep listening strengthens connection and trust. You feel understood on levels beyond words, and her attentiveness becomes a subtle yet powerful sign of love. That she makes space for your voice shows her care is consistent, intentional, and rare. 7. She makes everyday moments special. She turns ordinary moments into memories. A simple walk becomes a mini adventure, a shared coffee becomes an intimate ritual, and her attention makes daily life feel lighter and more joyful. Her creativity in small acts of love shows that she values experiences over grand gestures. Even her small habits, like sending sweet messages, remembering little preferences, or noticing your mood, make life feel magical. Her presence adds warmth, playfulness, and attention to details that might otherwise go unnoticed. Over time, this ability to make daily life feel special builds strong emotional attachment. You start associating her with comfort, joy, and care, making her someone whose presence you genuinely crave. This consistent ability to bring magic to everyday life is a rare green flag. 8. She balances independence and togetherness. She has her own life, goals, and passions, and encourages you to have yours too. She doesn't cling or demand constant attention. Instead, she shares moments intentionally, making time together feel meaningful. Her independence signals confidence, maturity, and emotional intelligence. Even while pursuing her own path, she prioritizes connection without losing herself. She checks in, plans shared experiences, and creates memories, showing that she values quality over quantity. You feel appreciated, respected, and free to do the same. Over time, this balance creates a healthy, strong bond. You know she's not dependent on you for validation or happiness, which makes her presence in your life feel nourishing and secure. That harmony between independence and togetherness is a green flag that signals long-term compatibility and emotional maturity. And there you have it. 8 fresh, magical, green flags that show a girl is truly rare, loving, and unforgettable. From her playful energy to the way she notices the little things, celebrates your quirks, supports your passions, and balances independence with care, these are the subtle signs that make her someone you genuinely feel lucky to have in your life. Love isn't always about grand gestures. It's in the warmth, attention, and thoughtfulness she brings to every moment. If you love this video and want more content celebrating love, connection, and the little things that make relationships magical, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to SoulSync. And tell me in the comments, which of these green flags melts your heart the most? Or which one do you think is the rarest to find? Remember, the right girl doesn't just bring happiness, she makes life feel brighter, lighter, and full of love every single day.